Former President Donald Trump's legal woes deepened on Friday as prosecutors in his civil trial unveiled compelling evidence, sending shockwaves through the legal and political spheres. The riveting developments have captured the nation's attention, with the raw story dubbing it a whopper of a case. At the heart of the prosecution's case, led by attorney Andrew Ammer, lies a scathing indictment of the Trump Organization's accounting practices. Among a barrage of charges, one stood out: the revelation that Trump Organization entities had disguised internal transactions as dealings with external companies, creating a web of financial obfuscation. Ammer emphasized the glaring lack of transparency in these dealings, shedding light on what prosecutors argue was a deliberate attempt to deceive. This revelation provides a glimpse into a pattern of financial behavior, allegedly designed to deceive. The Daily Monster's extensive coverage of the trial further unveiled the extent of the alleged deception. Prosecutors claim that Donald Trump and his associates misled insurance companies by providing false information about their financial assets, notably inflating the value of Trump Tower in Midtown Manhattan by an astounding $178 million. This was achieved by wrongly categorizing assets as stabilized, when in reality, they were not. Ammer minced no words in court, declaring rampant fraud in Trump's personal financial statements. He asserted that the defendants had repeatedly and diligently used these false statements with banks and insurance companies in various financial transactions, all in pursuit of monetary gain. The gravity of these allegations cannot be overstated, casting a shadow not only over Donald Trump but also over the Trump Organization itself, suggesting a long-standing pattern of fraudulent activity. It is crucial to note that while Trump's long-term accountant, Alan Weisselberg, has previously admitted to and served jail time for accounting fraud, these charges are distinct from those against him. The New York Attorney General's office alleges that the fraud within the Trump Organization was on a different scale and spanned several years. This trial has become a focal point of national attention, with supporters and critics closely monitoring proceedings. Trump's legal team vigorously maintains that these charges are politically motivated and lack merit. The outcome of this trial is poised to have far-reaching consequences, not only for Donald Trump personally but also for the broader discourse surrounding corporate accountability and financial transparency. As the trial continues, the nation eagerly awaits the unfolding of evidence and whether it will lead to a conviction or exoneration. Regardless of the verdict, the impact of this trial on the political landscape and public perception of financial accountability will endure for years to come. In a separate development, former President Trump's legal battles have dominated headlines in recent days, with several ongoing cases. Notably, special counsel Jack Smith's admission of an error in the document handling of Trump's legal team raises questions about transparency and adherence to the Brady Rule. This revelation emerged when investigators discovered mishandling of video evidence, casting doubt on the completeness of evidence presented in the case. In response, Trump voiced his dismay, characterizing the situation as a political witch hunt and an unprecedented event in American politics. His lawyer and spokesperson, Alina Hava, decried what she referred to as fake news, influencing public perceptions of Trump's legal challenges. She highlighted the broader issue of media polarization and its potential impact on the justice system. Significantly, there was a noteworthy development in Trump's pending trial in Fulton County, Georgia. Scott McAfee, the judge overseeing the case, ruled that Trump would not be tried alongside co-defendants Kenneth Chase Bro and Sidney Powell in October. This decision underscores the intricate legal nature of the case and the unique challenges it poses. The legal landscape surrounding Donald Trump remains turbulent, with multiple high-stakes trials and allegations that continue to captivate the nation's attention. The outcome of these legal battles is sure to shape the future not only for Trump personally but also for the broader American political and legal landscape.